Hi guys, so today I will be unboxing a miniature set. Okay, so this set is from the Japanese brand called Rement. Rement. So aside from Sylvanian families, I also collect miniatures from this brand. Okay, so by the way, I got this last January, although it was a pre-order from last year. Okay, so each box contains, well, it has a specific theme. It has a specific theme. For this one, it's obviously Sanrio, and it contains 8 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I will show you how these miniatures are packed. Okay, so there is a label also confirming that if this is a complete set. Okay, so this is their quality control maybe. Okay, so okay, so when you open the box, you can see right away that it has 8 sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we will open one box. Let us look for the number 1 because it has a number. This is number 8. Okay, so this one, OMG. Okay, this is the first set. Set number 1 is this one. Okay, you can see this one. This is set number 1. Okay, so I will open this one. Okay, by the way, I don't open my miniatures as soon as I get them. I need to get the organizers first from Daiso. This one. So when I'm ready, that's the only time that I unbox my sets. Okay. This is the dumpling container from Daiso. Okay, so we have opened this one. And it, oh no. This is set number 8. I'm sorry, it's set number 8. This is set number 8. This is the My Melody. It has a brush and a paper bag, and it also has this brochure here. Okay, so it tells you what's inside, what's included in the set. Okay, so let's open. Okay, see. Okay, this is the wallet. My Melody wallet. I'm sorry for my fingernails. As we all know, there are no salons because of the ECQ. So this is a keychain, I think. Okay, so this is how it's, yeah, there. It's so cute. And we have a, what is this? Sanrio Porolan. I don't exactly know what this is, but okay, anyway, this is what you get for the set number 8. Okay, so I will be unboxing the rest of the sets, and I will just post the photos right here. Thank you for watching.